Hi, I'm David Jackson with DriTac Flooring Products. We have a quick tip on how to properly install and maintain your unlimited moisture warranty with some of our wood flooring adhesives. Today I'd like to talk about our urethane adhesive 4141 Golden Bullet and our MS Polymer 7800. Both products offer unlimited moisture protection, no testing required, just a visual inspection, no signs of moisture, you're good to go. There's another key element to maintaining this moisture warranty, and that is trowel selection. On the technical data sheet and on the bucket, there are recommendations for a bond installation and a moisture warranty installation. Please refer to these documents and the bucket for trowel selection. If you're trying to maintain your unlimited moisture limitation warranty, you're going to want to use a V-notch trowel. The trowel selection will be listed on the bucket and the technical data sheet. The size of the trowel notches are dictated by the thickness of the wood flooring. These products can also be used for a bond-only warranty using a square notch trowel. Once again, if you want the unlimited moisture protection, refer to the technical data sheet or the bucket for a V-trowel recommendation. If you want more information or would like to talk to us directly, please call us on the number listed below or visit our website, which is also listed below. And please stay safe and install your jobs properly. Take care.